The dream of home ownership is one enjoyed by everyone, and sometimes that dream is a real challenge. Thankfully, we've got the largest Habitat for Humanity chapter in America right here in Jacksonville, HGTV. And HGTV does so much more than just build houses. We have the executive director of HGTV with us today, Mary Kay O'Rourke. Mary Kay, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Wally.
I am happy being with you. I enjoy seeing you, and I love so much all the great things that you've done. People associate HGTV with building houses. Very few realize they've also remodeled a lot of houses over years, and even fewer are familiar with the restore. Tell me about the origin of the restore.
With nonprofits, it's always important to have a diversity of funding sources because our work is important and we need supporters. So we looked at another model on how we could bring an additional revenue to the affiliate so we could provide more housing. And there is a restore model with Habitat for Humanity that's been around for about 30 years. So we decided that we were going to, get into that business as well.
I've been in the restore. It's in the old Scotty's building there on Beach Boulevard. It's a beautiful facility. Rod running that's been doing that for you for 8-10 years?
Yes.
Since its inception. Does a beautiful job. Tell me this, is the bigger challenge getting shoppers into the restore to take advantage of all the good deals, or is the bigger challenge the donation of leftover materials and from contractors and whatnot?
Right. Well, that always fluctuates. Everything with our work, you have pipelines and some things, are fuller than others. But right now, I think with the restore, it's to get shoppers. We have a lot of very generous individuals who give donations from their homes or their businesses, used product, as well as a lot of corporations, companies provide brand new product. So right now we are good with donations. Good. I mean, we're not saying don't continue to give them, but we really are trying to focus on bringing more people into the stores.
I've been in the store on Beach Boulevard often over the years. I really enjoy it. And what I like is it's always changing.
Yes.
If you went looking for a particular thing, you might not find it. But if you went looking with an open mind, you're going to find lots of things that you like. New doors, new windows, old windows, new furniture, older furniture, hardware, paint, hard to find oddball things. It's a fascinating place just to tool around and like a scavenger hunt.
Yes, it really is. And that's why it's important, if you are a shopper, to come back, not just come one time, because you might not find what you want then, but the inventory is constantly changing because it, is a lot of donations.
Right. Appliances also I've seen.
Appliances and mattresses. So, carpeting. So we have home improvement and then household products. So this is a time of year where people are cleaning out their houses. So we like the donations or improving. So come and, there's a lot of good bargains at the restore.
Absolutely, absolutely. Typically a half, third, sometimes even less than you would associate with a big box store, and often some of the same products.
Definitely. Yeah. Because as I said, we do have new product as well. So sometimes it's donation or with companies, but it's still new product as well as our donated product.
So the Beach Boulevard store right there, sort of at the corner of Beach and Old St. Augustine. I'm very familiar with that store. Tell me about the store on the west side.
Right, it's 6260 103rd Street. So it's in the shopping center there with Bailey's Gym. We've been there for about 2 years, so sales are increasing. It's very big store, and it's a good shopping center. So there's a lot of parking as well. So it's really just right off Blanding near on the northwest corridor.
Excellent. Well, I thank you for being with us and sharing. I could probably do 15 shows of all the things you've done there at HGTV. I'm just real grateful for the hard work that you've done.
Oh, thank you, Wally. You've been a great partner of ours during the year, providing your expertise in many areas.
Thank
you. We appreciate that.
To learn more about HGTV, they do so many things. Whether you're looking to get a home for the first time, you're interested in being a volunteer and learning more about construction, go practice on one of their homes before your own. The restore, whether it's for purchase or donation. To get all the information about HGTV, please visit jacksonvillebuzz.com.